Today we'll talk about how can you activate with PayPal on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on payments. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You just waiting to open video and you click here on activate PayPal here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then you click here on activate here. So then it's going to take you to your PayPal here to activate with your PayPal on your Shopify app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.